Formulas can result in errors when they're either entered incorrectly or if one of the cells used in the formula has an error itself. When you're experiencing an error in a longer formula, it can be useful to try and solve each part of the formula to see where the error is occurring. You can solve part of a formula using the F9 key. So, for example, this is a slightly longer formula that uses the index match combination. So the result of the match function is being used in the index function. So what we can do is highlight this section and press F9, and that will solve that for us. And so if there was an error there, we'd see that the error was not with the index, but with the match function. Now, see how the 3 is still selected? If we press escape, it will not have left it as a 3, which is useful. You can test something with F9 and then not leave it solved. But if we partially solve it with F9 and now press enter, it's going to stay as a 3. Now that's an easy fix. We'll just use Control Z to undo and it will bring it back to its match function. So that's a useful way to partial solve when you're searching through a larger formula to see where the error is actually being caused.